we're back at the PPMA show. I'm Stella for Automation Magazine, and I'm talking to George from VEGA. Hi, George. Would you like to tell us a little bit about the company, please, and also what you're doing here today? Thank you.
Hi there, thanks a lot. Yeah, so VEGA, we're a German instrumentation manufacturer, very specialised on level and pressure instrumentation. So a long-established company, tended in the past to deal more with sort of petrochem sites, nuclear power generation, offshore, so really high-end level measurement. But in the last few years, we've diversified our product range, and we'll have sensors now, more basic line sensors that are suited to factory automation process type measurements. So that's why we're here today, really showing a lot of these factory automation type sensors that can be used for process measurement, level and pressure in those sort of areas.
May I ask where you're getting your sensors from? Are they built by your own company?
Yeah, so we have a factory in Germany. We're a German company, family owned. The third generation of the family now, Isabel Grieshaber is our CEO. So everything you can see on the stand is made in our factory in Germany. In VEGA in the UK, we have about 48 employees in the UK doing a sales and service type role. But everything we sell in the UK is manufactured in Germany and shipped direct to our customers from the factory.
So what kind of range of sensors are you actually covering at this stage?
So basically anything to do with level. So we have radar for level measurement, we have capacitance probe for level measurement. We still have ultrasonics, but we'll probably be phasing those out because now we have radar at the price point of ultrasonic, and radar is a much better technology for measuring level than ultrasonic. We also, not for factory automation, but we also do things like radiation-based level monitoring, but that is more for sort of offshore type applications, not the sort of thing that we would be talking about at the show. And then we'll have a full range of switches, so switching for level, high and low level switching, and we have a full pressure sensor range as well, which could be for process pressure, but also you can use pressure for level measurement also. So we have all those sensors on the stand here today.
Sensors are very big and very important for Industry 4.0 plus some. Collection of data, processing data, and so on and so forth. How are you addressing those particular trends?
So the basic line sensors that we've launched specifically for factory automation, those are all I/O linked. So they're all I/O linked for network, and out the box, everything is Bluetooth. So all the commissioning and setup is Bluetooth. We also now have battery powered sensors for inventory management that basically wake up once or twice a day, take a measurement of your tank, dial that information straight up into the cloud via NB-IoT or through a LoRa gateway. So data and networking and wireless communication are big things, and that's kind of the future of where we're going. We'll have a VEGA Viz system, so we have the capability to host customers' data on our servers. So yeah, that is definitely some area of business that we're definitely moving into, yeah.
These sensors and everything around them, that's being created and developed in Germany, I assume?
Yeah, in Germany. Our head office is in Germany, in Schiltach in the Black Forest. We do now have production facilities in America, but the real focus and the driving force behind the business globally is still the headquarters in Germany. And one of the things, because we are still a family-owned company, there's no shareholders to worry about, so we can invest a lot of money back into R&D because we're not having to pay out dividends to shareholders. So we invest a lot in R&D, and that's why we're the first company to have 80 gigahertz liquids radar. We make more radar level sensors than all of our competitors combined. And we have that edge because we are constantly developing and reinvesting in our product.
Would you like to show us a little bit more in terms of the products, and maybe tell us a little bit about what we're seeing?
So basically what we've got here, this is a model depicting a sort of reactor and a storage vessel. So you've got a pressure sensor in the bottom there, which could be being used for hydrostatic level measurement, so that's measuring the level inside the vessel. We'll have radar level sensors on the top, process sensors, switches in line. So we're basically, in this situation where you're moving liquid between vessels, we can monitor the level in the vessel, we can monitor the pressure. The switches in the line can monitor the fact that there's product in the line and be used, for example, for pump protection, that sort of thing. This is sort of a mock-up of a food farmer type setup, so we've got hygienic connections, so clamp fittings and flange fittings that are suitable for pharmaceutical and food grade, so meet all the correct requirements for that sort of thing, and that's why we've got the stainless steel housing for like wash down within like a food plant sort of environment. Again, similar thing on here, just showing the sensors I mentioned before, where we've got our new sort of VEGA bar and VEGA point sensors. So these are the sort of factory process sensors we were talking about before with IO-Link, Bluetooth setup, lower price point where they can be used in bulk for factory automation by machine builders or end users. Moving over to some of the other models over here, this is more of the sort of, when I mentioned before about we have the sort of pro line level sensors. So this is a mock-up of a solid silo that you might have holding bulk products that's going to be used in a factory. So this could be the bulk delivery of pellets or animal feed or something like that. And this is one of our more pro line radars. So this is when I was talking before about the higher temperature, higher pressure rated, can be SIL rated, ATEX rated, that sort of thing. So I have a full range of sensors now, everything from the basic line for the factory automation, but we still have the sort of flagship top end, really high spec pro line devices as well. As well as the sort of, we have the low cost radar level sensors, and this is our latest radar, which is the VEGA Pulse 42, and this has been specifically designed for factory automation. So this is IO-Link, as we discussed before, for Industry 4.0. This is higher temperature, higher pressure, stainless steel for washdown in food and pharma type applications, switched output as well as a continuous level output, so really designed and targeted initially purely for factory automation type applications. So this is one of the main products that we've been talking about and shown to people. Yeah, it's available now on the website. You can see pricing. It's available on about a 10-day delivery from the factory in Germany, available right now, yeah.
Thank you, George. That's very kind of you. Thanks for showing us around.
That's great. Thanks for your time.
And we are signing off from VEGA. Thank you.